If you're painting with opaque medium like oil and acrylic, you're going to use white as a part of the color mixing system. In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to create a color wheel with acrylic. So first we're going to mix the color between those primary colors. And each color we make inside of the circle, we're going to mix that with the black color. So see how it look like with the black. And then on the outside, same color mixed with white will look like. First, let's take the primary colors. So it's easy. We don't have to mix anything. Let's put the yellow right here, right? Yellow right here. Okay, with the yellow color, if I mix the white and I put the outside, it look lighter. Now I clean my brush. I'm gonna take the yellow color and mix with a little black. But when you mix color, you make sure that mix from the side of the color. Don't mix right in the middle of the colors because you don't know how much color you need, right? But obviously the black is really strong. So see that? It's too much black. So I'm gonna let go some of the color, get a little bit more yellow in here. Just mix a little bit in from the side. That's just good enough to showing that edge a little bit darker. So be a little careful about how much color do you need. So always start from the side, mix it in. I'm gonna put the other primary colors on the paper. Now I'm going to take the red color. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take the red colors right over here. How about that? Like make a triangle. All right? And with this color, I'm gonna mix the white. It looks like this. Put it on the outside. Alright, cool. Now you know how it looks like with the white. Now I'm going to clean my brush. I'm gonna get the red again. I'm gonna mix with a little black. I know the black is really strong, so I'm not gonna get too much black. Okay, that's good. Now showing how the color look like with the black. Okay, now let's get the blue color. Get the blue colors in this triangle right here, right? I'm gonna put the blue color right in here. Now, I don't think we need that much blue. So just tap a little bit on the paper, get rid of some. Just get just a little bit blue with the white. Now, on the outside, we put that's the lighter version of the blue color. And now I'm going to mix the blue. I'm gonna put it over here. Get a little black. See that how tiny black? It make a huge difference. Now let's take a look in our inside over here. And maybe make a little bit more color. How about that? A little more color. Ooh, too much. So be a little careful. You're not kind of in the habit of sculpt the colors that are too much. So it's pretty dark. Now, okay, let's continue. Between the yellow and the red, what is the color? Orange. They are correct. Get the yellow and the red. You see, you don't have to use a lots of red. The red also very strong. Now I'm gonna put the color right in the middle. That's orange. And with the orange color, maybe a little bit red. A little bit red. So you can see that in the orange color has yellow and red color. So that way you don't have to buy an orange color because you can mix different kind of orange color by altering how much yellow, how much red you want, right? Okay, now what we're gonna do, we're gonna take a little bit white and mix into this color. We'll have a lighter version of this color. I'm gonna put it right here. Now I need to clean my brush. I don't want the white mixed with the black. And now I'm gonna take this color, mix the new, make a little more of this color. Now you get the correct color. Now I'm got a little bit black, a little bit. Ooh, a lot. So I only need this much. Get it? So you can control how much the black and the white do you need. And a little more than. Look like that. And anytime they mix with the black, it make it look like gray. Because of course, the lighter version of the black is a gray, and also less bright at any time. And now we're going on this side. Between the yellow and the blue, what's the color?
Green.
Yeah, the green. I'm gonna take the yellow, or some yellow color over here. Now I'm gonna take a little blue from the edge. Okay, good. Maybe a little bit blue. Okay, now we get the green color. Maybe a little bit more yellow. Okay. That's the green. Now with the green color, you mix a little white, a little bit white here. Now the color looks like this. Right? Good. Now we're gonna mix this color with the black. Okay, I'm gonna remix the green color a little more and get some blue. Now this is the green. Now I'm gonna mix with the black. This much black. Okay, and ooh, very strong. Very strong. Like put it right in the middle over here. Like that. Now between the red and the blue, what is the color? And let's see. It's supposed to be purple. Okay. Now I'm gonna mix a little bit more of this color. Now mix a little blue into it. A nice purple color. Very nice. Here you go. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna put it right here. Now with this color, I'm gonna mix some white from this side. Now right here. And I'm gonna let go the white in my brush. Now I'm gonna get a little black. A little black. There's probably more than enough. Okay, good. Now I'm gonna mix from the side over here. So this is the darker version of this purple color. Okay. Now let's continue. Between the second, this is called secondary color, secondary color. The color between the two primary colors, they're called secondary colors, right? So between this color, you can see it will be like a yellow-orange. Between these two, there will be red-orange. Between these two colors, let's come back over here. Let's mix a little more. We already have some orange color here. So this is the yellow-orange color. All right, good. Now get a little bit white color from this side. That's how it looks like. Now clean the brush. Now we just get a little black into here. This color is pretty weak and it's too much black, we just look like just black. Okay, we're gonna take this color. Let's see. Ooh, too strong. So let's mix a little bit more yellow-orange color. Yellow-orange color with just a little bit more yellow and less red. Okay, that's too much. Okay, get a little bit more yellow. So this is yellow-orange color and mix with the black. That is the color look like. And when you mix the black, and it look like a bit of dirty green color. Okay, get that? Okay, now let's continue. On this side, take the yellow color away from that original pile and just get the red. Now this is lots of red, the yellow a little bit less. So this color is a little bit more red than that color. Let's put it right here. maybe even a little bit more red, like that. Now let's squeeze the color back to the color palette and just get a little yellow color and just mix this color, put it on the outside. And now I'm going to clean my brush. Coming over here, get a little bit black, don't really need a lot of black. And put over here, and here you go. Move in, move in. It looks like a brown color. Right? Good, here you go. That's the color. Okay, we're getting there. So let's come over here between the red and the purple color. Let's take the red and the purple color right here. Let's mix the color. Let's put the red and the blue together. Okay. But we want a little bit red. So we add a little bit more red in here. So because this color is in between these two colors. Okay. Like that. Okay, now get the white color. You can see how is the lighter version of this color look like. Like this. You see the light color compared to the light color, this have a little bit warmer, a little bit more red. Yeah, that's right, you can make it a little bit lighter, like that. Okay, now wash the brush. Now we are going to add the black into this side. Now we get the dark version of this color. I think it's too dark. It's just black. Now on the other side, that we are going to take, let's first mix the purple color first. These two colors together, right? It's good. That is the purple color, but if we make a little bit more blue into this mixture, the color would look like this. The color would look like this, and in between these two colors. Right? Let's get a little white color in here from this side. It looks like this. And now we clean the brush again. Get the dark, but you need to be careful. The black is really, really intense. Now we're gonna let go some, and this is good enough. That's good enough. Now we take this color. Now we put it inside over here. The dark version of this color. Okay, now we're gonna continue on the other side. So we have the yellow color and the green color together mixed with it become the green color. So this is the green color, right? Let's make a little more of the green color, a little bit more green color. Okay, now we're gonna do it on both sides. I'm not sure enough. Let's make a little more. A little more. This is the green color right here, right? Same color as that. So what I'm gonna do, I'm on this side, I'm gonna mix a little bit yellow. So the color will be on the side of the, between the yellow and the green. This is called yellow green, right? Even more, a little bit more yellow. How about that? A little bit more yellow. Here you go, like that. Now what we're gonna do on this side, I'm gonna take a little white, now this color, and the outside. And on the inside, I just washed my brush. Clean the brush, and they get a little black. Now, I don't want that much, so I'm gonna get a little bit black into this color. Now this color become like this. I think it's too strong, like that. Now we're looking at on the other side. We still have half of the pie of the color, and let's get a little blue colors and make a little blue color in here. And you can see this color with a little bit more blue, right? This color is between the blue and the green color. Now get a little white color from here. Now over here, it looks like this. You see the color? Also between the two colors. And now I'm going to clean my brush. Just get a little bit black. I'm not sure how much I need. They're probably good enough. Now mix into the leftover this blue-green color right here. You still can mix in between those colors and make it fully blend in together. Actually, in between these two colors, you can merge it together. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If this is your first time here, please subscribe and turn on notification. I will see you in my next lesson.